Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dia Kalisa binti Rosnan, matrix number 10DAT24F1060. I'm going to explain about the company's core business. Cheetah Holdings Berhad's core business centers on design, development, marketing, and distribution of apparel and lifestyle products. The company focuses on providing clothing for various market segments, including men, women, children, babies, under multiple in-house brands. In addition to operating through physical retail, outlets, and consignment counters, the group has expanded into e-commerce platforms to strengthen its market presence and respond to modern consumer shopping behavior. Through continuous investment in product design, quality enhancement, and strategic digital engagement, the company aims to stay competitive within the rapidly evolving fashion and retail industry. That's all from me. Thank you. For my part, I will be presenting the liquidity and efficiency analysis of Cheetah Holdings Berhad for the year 2023 and 2024. These analyses are important to evaluate how well the company can meet its short-term obligations and how efficiently it manages its asset and daily operations. So, the first one is liquidity ratios. In terms of liquidity, the current ratio increased from 9.17 times in 2023 to 9.48 times in 2024. This means that for every ringgit of current liabilities, the company holds more than 9 ringgit in current assets. It shows a very strong liquidity position. The quick ratio also improved from 3.36 times to 4.14 times, which indicates that the company can comfortably pay off its short-term debts even without relying on inventory sales. Overall, these ratios shows that Cheetah Holdings is in a strong financial position and has no problem covering its short-term obligations. Moving on to efficiency, several ratios have declined compared to the previous year. The accounts receivable turnover dropped from 7.24 times to 6.33 times, while the account receivable turnover days increased from 50 days to 58 days. This means that the company took longer to collect payments from customers, which could affect its cash flow. Then, the inventory turnover ratio decreased from 1.63 times to 1.44 times, and the inventory turnover days increased from 224 days to 253 days. This indicates that goods are selling slower and that the company may be facing excess inventory or slower demand. Additionally, both total asset turnover and fixed asset turnover decreased in 2024, suggesting the company became less efficient in generating sales from its assets. In conclusion, from the liquidity perspective, the company's performance is very strong and stable. However, from the efficiency perspective, performance has weakened slightly due to slower collection from customers and slower inventory movement. This shows that while the company is financially healthy, it still needs to improve its operational efficiency. Therefore, I wouldn't strongly recommend investors to invest in the short term as the company still needs to enhance its operational performance. But for long-term investment, the company has a very strong potential since it has a solid financial base, and if efficiency improves, investor returns are likely to increase over time. That's all from me. Thank you. And next, I'm gonna pass it to my friend Nur Mastura.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Masturah binti Abdul Rahim. My matrix number is 10DAT24F1058. Next, I will present about vision and mission of Cheetah Holdings. Cheetah Holdings Berhad's vision is to fulfill lifestyle needs by building a strong and trusted brand that delivers value through quality, design, and innovation. The company aspires to cater to diverse consumer lifestyle while continually constantly evolving in line with fashion trends and customer expectations. The company's mission is focused on creating value and customer satisfaction through excellence in product and brand development. The mission is reflected through the following key commitments. First, to provide high-quality lifestyle and apparel products to meet diverse customer needs. Second, to ensure continuous innovation in product design and development. Third, to maintain strong quality standards that reflect the brand's value. And last, to strengthen digital presence and e-commerce capabilities for wider market reach. For my section, I will explain the analysis related to the profitability and market performance of Cheetah Holdings Berhad for the years 2023 and 2024. This analysis is important because it shows whether the company is truly generating profits and how strong its financial position is in attracting potential investors. In terms of profitability, the gross profit margin decreased slightly from 31.74% to 31.28%, indicating a minor increase in production costs. However, interestingly, the operating profit margin improved from negative 11.89% to negative 0.96%, showing that the company is close to achieving operating profitability after successfully controlling its costs. The net profit margin also showed a positive turnaround, moving from a loss of negative 12.49% to a profit of 1.45%, proving that the company has recovered from its losses and started generating net profits again. Additionally, the return on asset, which is ROA, increased from negative 13.72% to 1.39%, and the return on equity, which is ROE, also rise from negative 50.2% to 1.39%. This indicates that the company is now providing positive returns to both its asset and shareholders after suffering losses in the previous year. From the debt perspective, the debt ratio shows that the company only uses around 10% external financing to support its assets, indicating very low financial risk. The times interest earn ratio also demonstrates that the company can still easily cover its interest payments even though profits remain relatively small. From a market perspective, the earnings per share turned positive and the price earnings ratio surged from negative to 39.47 times, showing increased investor confidence in the company's performance. However, the market to book ratio remains below 1, suggesting that the company's shares are still undervalued and have room for future growth. Based on the overall analysis, Cheetah Holdings Berhad shows significant improvement in profitability and financial management. The company has successfully recovered from losses and began generating profit, albeit modestly, while maintaining a very low level of debt. This reflects a low investment risk and strong future growth potential. Therefore, I recommend investors to consider investing to this company, especially for the long term. With a stronger financial foundation and improved business strategies, Cheetah Holdings Berhad has the potential